Hi, I'm Brian Lincoln, Product Manager at Xerox DocuShare. I'd like to introduce you to a new product called DocuShare eForms. With eForms, you can improve processes, control costs, and increase effectiveness by converting your old, slow, paper-based processes to digital. According to industry analysts Gartner, 75% of all business processes depend on forms. Just about every business has old, paper-based processes like new hire paperwork or credit applications. This demo will show you how to replace paper forms with electronic forms that your users can access 24/7 over the web. Now let's take a look at our online demo.
Here we're going to demonstrate how using DocuShare eForms we're able to automate a vacation request and approval process using a simple electronic form and automating work processes in DocuShare. For the demo, we'll be an employee of Smith, Smith & Jones and request some time off. I've navigated to my corporate portal where I've been presented with a form to request time off. You can see that the form is a simple HTML form and that is accessed via URL, meaning it can be hosted from any website, corporate portal, or internet. PDF forms are also supported. This form was designed using our Forms Designer, which allows for simple drag and drop layout of forms controls with snap to grid, and easy setup of data sources and data validations. Let's fill out the form to see how some of that works. You'll notice that when I move my cursor in the Employee ID field, I'm automatically presented with a pop-up that illustrates what acceptable values for the field are. We'll go ahead and enter an acceptable value, 2000, and tab out. And you'll see that a database lookup is performed to automatically pull employee information out of the database and automatically populate the form. So you see I'm filling out a form for Brian Demers of the Accounting Department with Improving Manager Stephen Rosendale. We'll select a week off, and you'll see that I have one of several standard date controls configured to select that date. We'll select 5 days off. Note that when I select my time off, my type of time off, if I select bereavement leave, that conditional form fields are automatically enabled and made visible. Luckily, nobody was harmed in the creation of this demo, so we'll just request some vacation time and submit the form. Now we can see how the form is represented in DocuShare and how we've automated the filing and processing of that form. eForms can automatically be filed based on the form field values, in this case, the department. So we'll navigate to the accounting collection. And you see that we have a document there for the eForm that's been named from one of the form fields, in this case, the last name, Demers. The document that's created in DocuShare to represent the eForms includes a flat file PDF representation of the eForm with all the form fields closed. It also includes an XML rendition of the form field information. That XML rendition is full text indexed to allow full text searching of all form fields. Optionally, form fields can also be mapped to DocuShare properties, enabling property-based searching and also enabling conditional automation based on content rules. And here you see several of those properties for this document. We've configured a content rule to automatically route this form for approval. So we'll select My Tasks. We'll see that I've been routed the form for approval. It's not normally good HR practices to have the same person both fill out their own time off request and approve it, but it works for a demo. So I'll go ahead and select the task to approve or disapprove my time off request. And here you can see I'm presented with options to either approve or disapprove, and also with the link to the form. Let's go ahead and take a look at the form to make sure all the information has been filled out correctly. And what you see when the document is displayed is that flat file PDF with the form fields already filled out and closed. Scanning it, I can see that all the information is correct and presented here, so I'll go ahead and I'll approve this request for time off. And as you see, we've been able to automate a time off process using DocuShare eForms and DocuShare.
So that's the demo. You can see how processes that used to take weeks can be done in hours or even minutes. Your staff is more productive, and your organization provides better customer service. Operational costs and staff time are significantly cut. And because DocuShare and eForms are priced right, your return on investment is substantial and quick. DocuShare eForms, combined with DocuShare, provides an easy, affordable, and reliable data collection, management, and workflow automation solution. Thank you for joining me to see the demo.